Dinosaur lives in a beautiful green valley. He is very playful and loves his friends. Look, a giant purple flower. Bonto sniffs it with his big nose. Oh no! Yellow dust tickles his nose. His belly bounces. What is that funny sound? The sound is so loud. Monkeys drop their bananas, and the baby dinosaur laughs. Another funny hiccup jumps out. The bushes jiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Bonto feels shy. He tries to hide behind a tiny bush, but he is too big. Peekaboo. The monkeys want to help. They bring a big cup of water. Bonto drinks upside down. Water drips everywhere like a rainy mountain. The hiccups do not stop. Bonto splashes water, and the baby dinosaur giggles. The birds bring soft leaves to put on Bonto's nose. Maybe this will help. Bonto sneezes. The leaves fly in the air like tiny umbrellas. Wise Turtle tells a very, very slow and sleepy story. The story is so sleepy. The monkeys yawn, and the birds blink slowly. That is the funniest hiccup ever. Everyone laughs together. Bonto feels a little shy. He walks to the quiet pond. His kind friends follow him. He sits by the water. His friends sit with him to give him a big, warm hug. Bonto takes a deep breath. In and out. He feels very calm and happy. He remembers the funny sounds. A tiny giggle comes out. Bonto laughs out loud. His friends laugh with him. The valley is filled with joy. The hiccups are gone. Bonto is happy. Silly moments are the best when we share them with friends.